Hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I am going to discuss literature review section of short research paper. What is literature review? Review is the summary of information from all the literature that you choose for your study. Literature review is very important for writers because literature review will help you to find interesting topic for your research project. It is also important through literature review you will have the ideas of other researcher in your own study. Literature review help us to motivate our readers and help them about our topic. Literature review is very interesting. While you are going to write your literature review, it should be in essay format. Literature review should be in essay format. It must have introduction, body, and conclusion. Literature review has three parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. What is the meaning of literature? All the articles, books written in the same area. Literature review is good for your topic. Now, while you're working on literature review, please always think about your topic in research questions. In library research, the researcher always find their information from literature review. They provide answer to the research question from perspective of researcher who published their articles. While you are going to start literature review, in the beginning of literature review, explain your topic in a problem. After it, just discuss perspectives of other researcher, perspective of authors in your own literature review. While you're working on literature review, you should think about summarizing, paraphrasing, and quoting. For example, if you read one article, in this article you found one or two sentences that support your research question. You don't need for the entire paper, just you need for one or two sentences. Now it's your job to paraphrase or summarize the sentences and bring these ideas into your own literature review. But please think about in-text citation. If you bring one or two ideas, try to include in-text citation and your literature review. It is also worth mentioning that, for example, there are the same ideas in 3 or 4 articles. It is your job as a writer to synthesize all these information into one paragraph. For example, 3 authors in 3 articles, they told you that if you want to deal with public speaking anxiety, practice is essential. As a writer of new article, it is your job to combine all these information in one paragraph. Because literature review is not only summary, it is synthesize, it is combination, or it is integration of many ideas in standard format of essay. In short, literature review is not only summary. It is the collection of information from many articles to support your research question. Literature review should be in essay format. It must have introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction should explanation of your topic and problem statements. In the body, just you are going to include the ideas of authors. Finally, you are going to summarize the entire literature review section. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all the best. Goodbye.